Hey guys, OnePlus continues to take fans' feedback to heart and is now giving them the chance to test the OnePlus 6 and provide their opinions before the smartphones launch on the market. Through a special program called The Lab, OnePlus fans can sign up for a chance to check out the OnePlus 6, and if they are good at testing, they might get to keep the smartphone after the program ends. The program is only available in those countries where OnePlus officially sells its smartphones, such as the US, UK, Canada, Germany, and India, but anyone can sign up for a chance to test the OnePlus 6. You will have to select other in the country slot. You have until May 2nd, 10 PM Eastern Daylight Time to register for the lab program, while winners will be announced by May 12, 10 PM Eastern Daylight Time. If you are one of the lucky people choosing to test the OnePlus 6, you will also get to keep the smartphone. It's worth mentioning that only 15 reviewers will be chosen to go hands-on with OnePlus upcoming flagship. However, you will have to answer a lot of questions related to the OnePlus 6 and technology in general in order to be picked for the testing program. And if you want to sign up, then I'll provide a link in the description. I wish good luck to everyone signing up for the lab program, as OnePlus 6 shapes up to be a great device. And if you guys enjoyed this video, then give this video a thumbs up. And make sure to subscribe this channel for these types of daily amazing tech videos. And I'll catch you guys next one. See you soon.